Have you ever heard about Siri shortcuts? If not, then you are missing out on a great feature of Apple devices. In this video, we will explain everything you need to know about Siri shortcuts and share some interesting facts. Siri shortcuts are a powerful tool that allow you to automate tasks on your Apple devices. With that, you can create custom voice commands to trigger specific actions or workflows on your device. These can be simple tasks like sending a text message or complex actions like booking a ride with your favorite ride-sharing app. Those automated tasks can be created by using the Siri Shortcut app, which is available for free on App Store. The app comes with a library of pre-built shortcuts. You can create your own using a simple drag and drop interface. One of the most interesting thing about Siri Shortcut is the voice command interface. You can use natural language to create custom voice commands that trigger specific actions on your device. For example, you could create a shortcut called I am home that turns on your smart lights, adjusts the thermostat, and starts playing your favorite music. To understand more about it, let us jump straight into creating some of the automation through Siri Shortcuts. And later you can apply the same concept in creating additional tasks and automations through Siri Shortcuts. Once you open the shortcut, you will find this screen. On the left hand side, you can see the list of different categories. Under all shortcuts, by clicking on the plus sign, it will open another window. Here on the right hand side, you can see the list of different actions which you can pick and deploy into your shortcuts. Moving to automations, you can see some of the automations already predefined. Those are basically the custom made automations. We will configure those from the scratch and see them in action. Let us create an automation which will put our device into a sleep mode at a specific time. Click on create personal automation. Select time of the day. Here we will define the time on which we want this task to be automatically triggered. Next is to add action. Now let's say we want our device to be on silent at the specific time. We will select volume and make it to 0%. We will also select brightness to be at 0%. Important thing is this, there is an option ask before running. You need to disable it so that the task can automatically be triggered and it can take the action accordingly without the need of asking the user either it should run or no. In the next task, we will make an auto reminder to remind us to take medicine at a specific time with a voice note. I hope this video was informative, so stay tuned to get more updates on technology and to know about the simple tips and tricks to make your life more convenient and productive.